Asuntoskeetti Vapaudenkatu 43 in Jyväskylä. Staircase A. And I accidentally said staircase A in last one, but it was staircase B. In 1960, 8375. I was hoping to find 1960 walnut elevators here, but no, they are just Kone elevators, but still amazing, of course, but well, walnut elevators would have been much more interesting. 7th floor. 1960 Kone elevators with NPN4 fixtures are still quite rare. So 240 kilograms. And I think these are the first original 1960 elevators that have been found in Jyväskylä. But 1961 and 1959 have been found already. Ground floor. Inspected by Jyväskylä, maintained by Kone. This other was maintained by generic Hisel before, and this white is in quite bad shape. Seventh floor. Ground floor. Seventh floor. That's